AI video generation is evolving rapidly, and platforms like Higgsfield AI have been at the center of that momentum. With Kling 3.0 now live on Higgsfield, creators can directly access the latest version of the model inside a familiar production workflow. This release marks more than a routine upgrade. It represents a shift toward tighter integration between visuals, audio, and control, all within a single system. Kling 3.0 is the next major upgrade to Kling Video 2.6, and it's built around a unified multi-model model rather than a collection of separate tools. The goal is simple but ambitious: improve consistency, enable longer and more structured scenes, and bring native audio and video generation together in a more coherent way. At its core, Kling 3.0 supports text to video, image to video, and reference to video workflows, along with video modifications such as adding or removing elements, transforming scenes, and refining existing clips. What makes this approach stand out is that all of these capabilities are trained together inside one native model. This leads to stronger prompt alignment, better control, and fewer unexpected visual or logical breaks during generation. One of the most noticeable upgrades in Kling 3 is multi-shot generation. Instead of treating a video as a single continuous shot, the model can now generate full multi-shot sequences in one run. It understands scene progression and automatically manages shot sizes, camera placement, and transitions. This allows creators to focus on narrative intent rather than manually prompting each cut. Audio is another major advancement. With Omni-native audio, dialogue is generated directly inside the model rather than layered on afterward. This includes character-level speaking control, multilingual support with dialect handling, and more natural lip synchronization. Because audio and visuals are generated together, dialogue feels more grounded and expressions align more closely with speech, particularly in close-up scenes. Element consistency has also seen a significant improvement. In image-to-video generation, Kling 3 can lock in the main character, important objects, and defining scene traits. Even with camera movements such as zooms, pans, and tracking shots, characters and objects remain stable. This reduces common issues like drifting faces or changing visual details across frames. Text rendering is another area where Kling 3 shows clear progress. The model can generate readable, structured text for signs, subtitles, storefronts, UI elements, and other on-screen graphics. Distortion is reduced and information remains intact, making the output far more usable for ads, mockups, and informational content. Kling 3.0 also supports flexible video duration from 3 to 15 seconds in a single generation. While 15 seconds may sound modest, it allows for better continuity, more complex action logic, and smoother pacing within a single clip, reducing the need to stitch together multiple generations. Alongside the core model, Kling 3.0 Omni builds on the earlier Kling 01 system with a focus on higher reference fidelity, stronger instruction following, and more expressive character performance. This version is designed for creators who need greater precision and realism. With Omni Reference 3.0, subject similarity is noticeably stronger. Characters adhere more closely to reference images or videos, prompts are followed more accurately, and visual artifacts are reduced. The output feels closer to the creator's original intent. Character Element 3.0 allows users to upload or record a short character video, typically 3 to 8 seconds long, to extract key visual traits along with the original vocal tone. This enables consistent character appearance and voice across generations. Because audio is handled natively, lip sync accuracy and emotional delivery feel more natural. For multi-image characters, Kling 3.0 also supports tone control using short voice clips. This helps maintain a consistent vocal identity across different visuals, resulting in more believable audiovisual performances. In practical use, Kling 3.0 performs particularly well in action and physics-heavy scenes. Fast motion, vehicle movement, explosions, smoke, and debris feel more grounded and less unstable. Motion carries weight and scenes hold together under complex interactions. The model also excels at emotion-driven close-ups. Facial expressions such as fear, tension, excitement, or anger remain consistent across shots with stable skin detail and reduced distortion. making character-focused storytelling more convincing. Macro and extreme close-up shots are another strong area. Hands, objects, faces, and materials retain structure and clarity without melting or warping, even at very close distances. Kling 3.0 is especially suitable for text-critical video content, including advertisements, storefront visuals, subtitles, signage, and UI demonstrations, where readability is essential. Multi-character interaction is also more reliable. Multiple characters can speak, react, and move together without identity swaps or dialogue confusion, even in busy scenes. Camera movement feels more deliberate overall. Kling 3.0 supports smooth tracking shots, push-ins, pullbacks, and mechanical rig-style motion that naturally follows subjects, giving generated footage a more cinematic feel. With Kling 3.0 now live on Higgsfield AI, creators can start exploring these capabilities directly. While this release is not just about visual quality, its real impact lies in how consistency, control, audio integration, and narrative structure are starting to work together. If these improvements hold up at scale, Kling 3.0 could represent a meaningful step forward for AI-driven video creation. See you all in my next video soon. Thanks for watching.